Host.
Hey loves, welcome back to another episode in Vlogmas. What is this, day 13? We are shaking and baking over here. But welcome back. You know what? The last couple of vlogs, I have not introduced myself. So let me reintroduce myself, shall we? My name is Alexandrina Marie, and we do all things lifestyle, inspiration, hauls, reviews, and so much more. We have lots of fun here. So if you happen to be new here and you just happen to stop by, go ahead and like and subscribe because you'll love it here. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss another vlog when it drops. Because right now, we're in Vlogmas. So excited. So, y'all, come here. Come a little closer. Yeah, I'm getting ready for bed. I'm getting ready to put my little scarf on, but I'm kind of hiding from a man. Yeah. He's watching football. What is up with all this football? I'm still trying to understand the fascination with the football. But y'all, does your man like you just to sit there and watch him watch football? Because I don't have no idea what he's watching. And I hate asking questions because it's like, I don't retain it. And every time I'm watching, I'm asking the same question. I know I am. So I want to play with my new Gidget that I got from Amazon. Peyton has vlogged. If you watch me, you know. You're in love. And you've been here long enough, you'll know that I absolutely love watching Peyton Marie Charles. She inspired me to start my own YouTube channel about a year ago. A little over a year. It's been 2 years. Anyway, so the other day I was watching her and she was talking about she had to replace her camera tripod that was wireless, and she mentioned the brand. And I know I looked at this like maybe last year and I was like, yeah, I don't know if I want to use it or not. But now that I've gotten further along in my YouTube creator career, I went up my game. So I went on Amazon and what do you know? I found it. So I found the mount that Peyton was talking about. And while I'm hiding out in the bedroom, we're going to unbox her and test her out with the camera. I'm so excited. But y'all, really, he'll come looking for me. Talk about, where you at? Well, how come you're not out here watching with me? I don't know. Maybe because I don't want to and I don't understand what in the world football is all about. One day, maybe. I love him, though. I love him dearly. I do. But between me and you, I'm hiding out in this bedroom. So, I'm excited. Let's unbox her, shall we? First of all, I got everything together, but you know, I'm running around with my glasses not on. That is not good. I don't know what is up with me and my glasses. They not on my face. Okay, so as y'all know, I have a Sony ZV-1F. So this is my little baby. I think this is my second or third Sony. I had the RM or the R100. I think I first started vlogging on that, and then I switched to this. So this will be my second Sony. So way better. Now my daughter has the Sony ZV-E10, which is considerably bigger and heavier camera, but she ain't vlogging, y'all. And I'm about to go over there and be like, let me borrow that. Let me just borrow this camera for you, for a while. But I love it. I love it. It's very lightweight. It's a good little camera. I do love this camera. So I read the Amazon description, you know, for this, and it says it's supposed to work for this, all the ZBs, pretty much. So, yeah, let's get unboxing it and see how, hopefully get this thing to work. Problems. I'm like, what is it saying? Why can I not turn this on? So I have to turn it on, and then I have to put it on Bluetooth settings. Bluetooth on, manage pairing device, iPhone. Bluetooth is on. So turn on pair camera with Bluetooth remote control. Oh, Bluetooth remote control on. Use paired device. Perform new pairing. So you have to go to Bluetooth pairing on your Sony, and then let me show y'all what I'm talking about. How you go back? Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Can y'all see that? Bluetooth remote control. Mine was off, so I paired it to on. So I paired it. Initially, it was off. So I went here into Bluetooth, Y'all see that? Is it blurry? It's blurry. There you go. So I went to Bluetooth, turn this on, Bluetooth remote. Then I want to perform a new pairing. All right, so I did that first. And now we want to turn this on. All right, so what's the next step? The next step, long press C1 button. So long press this button. Is it working? Long press C1 button. This is so. Long press C1 button on the remote control and the record button till the blue indicator lights flash. Ow. So you have to hit both. My bad. Ooh, there it is. Connected. Now it's saying it's connected. Hit a pairing. Paired. Awesome. So let's try it out. All right, so the device is paired right now. It is on. And let's see. It's recording. It's synced. Ooh, I like this. Ooh, pretty cool, y'all. Boom, done. I think I can zoom in. I can zoom in and out. This is the zoom in and out. So nice. And this is pretty cool. And I like that it's magnetic, so it's magnetic as well. I can't wait to record with this. All right, y'all. I can't wait to record with this tomorrow. Ooh, it's so fancy. So I'll catch up with y'all tomorrow and continue on with Vlogmas. But I just wanted to show me unboxing my new camera accessory, and tomorrow we'll use it in action. Right? I'll catch you tomorrow morning. Bye, night.